Suspension is key to confident handling. This kit restores smooth, reliable control. Each component meets strict standards. The ball joint uses a forged steel ball stud, pre-greased for smooth movement. A double-layer rubber dust cover keeps out dirt and debris. The heavy-duty arm body is corrosion-resistant and delivers lasting strength and durability. These components work together to deliver long-lasting performance and a smoother ride. Added protection where safety matters most. A grease fitting makes routine maintenance easier. Altogether, this kit restores the ride quality, control, and confidence your vehicle was built for.